Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to pronounce 3 uncommonly used Filipino words. The first one is kapitapitagan. How to pronounce it? Kapitapitagan. The definition is respectful term for someone worthy of honor. I give you example. Ang kanyang mga gawain nagbigay ng kapitapitagan sa pamilya. The next is tuklasin. How to pronounce it? Tuklasin. The definition is to discover. I'll give you one example. Tuklasin natin ang mga bagong lugar sa ating paglalakbay. And the last, pasiklabin. How to pronounce it? Pasiklabin. Definition, to ignite. Example, kailangan nating pasiklabin ang apoy para sa barbecue.